Hey everybody, this video is going to go over the Setup tab, and we have a few different tabs within here. And the one that I'm going to go over right now is the Settings. And this Settings tab has general settings that you're going to want to be aware of. The Favicon file here is a place that you can upload your Favicon file, and it allows that little graphic to appear in the address bar in your browser. So if you have a Favicon file and you want to go ahead and upload it, this is the place to do it. The site name is going to be the name of the site that appears in search engines, so you can go ahead and title that. The browser title is going to display the page name, which is what you want it to do, so you can leave this exactly the way it is. You don't have to change anything there. Your meta tag description and meta tag keywords can go in those two fields. If you're not sure what to do with that, we have other videos and an SEO guide that'll better explain what to do with meta tag keywords and descriptions. Your site footer text is going to be where you would put something like copyright and the date and your studio name. Your Google Analytics code can go here, and it looks something like this UA and then a bunch of numbers that follow. And I think it takes about 24 hours or so before Google actually starts registering that site and the traffic to that site. So some countries have it where they need to anonymize Google Analytics. You would know who you are. Mostly it's European countries. If you need to, you can go ahead and mark true here. And then the next few items all have to do with processing on your server. So right here we have use server-side resampling, image magic library if it's available, and auto sharpening. These items should all be checked true, and it's going to help with the efficiency of processing the image and delivering content from your server. So you're going to want to go ahead and mark all those true. And then you have this resampling quality. This resampling quality, we turned it down to 90. That resampling quality is going to shave a little bit of bandwidth off all of the images. It's going to reduce the file size just slightly, very similar to what you're doing in Photoshop when you're saving for web and you're playing around with the quality. So you can go ahead and play with that, and it'll actually save some bandwidth as well. You're also going to find a few other items in here, like the Slideshow Timer for your albums. This is in seconds, so you can turn this up or down if you want to speed up or slow down your album slideshow timer. And then we have the mute music on the splash page. This will allow you to have music, but to shut it off on the splash page and only play when somebody actually enters the website. And then you have show full screen icon. If you want the icon to appear for the site to go full screen, you can go ahead and turn that on here. And that is the settings tab in the setup. I hope that was informative. Thanks.